layered vegetable casserole. Prepare the ingredients. Preheat the oven to 400 Fahrenheit or 200 Celsius. For the sauce, finely dice 1 onion. Finely slice 2 garlic cloves. In a food processor, place 8 tomatoes. 2 teaspoons of dried oregano, 2 teaspoons of dried marjoram, 1 handful of fresh basil, and 1 tablespoon of maple syrup. Then blend to a smooth liquid. Heat a frying pan on a high heat. Add half a cup of water. Add the onion and garlic and saute until the water has evaporated. Add the pureed tomato mix. Bring to the boil, then reduce the heat and simmer for a few minutes until the colour turns a deep red colour. Season with salt and pepper to taste, then set aside. For the bean filling, in a food processor, place 3 cups of cooked cannellini beans, add 2 handfuls of spinach, puree to a paste. Season with salt and pepper to taste, then set aside. Thinly slice 2 eggplants in 1 centimetre rounds. Thinly slice 4 zucchinis in 1 centimetre rounds. Slice 4 red capsicums into strips. In a casserole dish, place a thin layer of the sauce on the bottom of the dish. Arrange a third of the eggplant slices over the sauce. Spread half of the bean filling over the eggplant. Place half of the zucchini slices and half of the red bell peppers over the top. Drizzle slightly with some sauce. Repeat the eggplant, filling, zucchini and red peppers, and then thinly layer the sauce. Place the final layer of eggplant over the top and pour the remaining sauce. Spread the sauce to cover the eggplant completely. Place the dish uncovered in the oven and bake for 30 minutes. Check to make sure the vegetables are soft and the sauce has thickened. If not, cook for longer. Remove from the oven, allow to sit for a few minutes before serving. Sprinkle with chopped parsley and serve with whole grain couscous.